If Earth restoration had a core engine, it would be the tropics. No other region on the planet processes carbon, water, and energy faster. Sunlight is consistent, rainfall is abundant, biological growth is explosive, but tropical systems collapse faster than any other biome when mismanaged. The reason is simple. Most tropical carbon is not stored underground. It is stored above ground, in living biomass. When forests are removed, carbon is released rapidly, soil degrades, and rainfall destabilizes. Restoration in the tropics must be fast. That is why bamboo matters. Bamboo is not a tree, it is a grass. It grows at extraordinary speed, reaching maturity in 3 to 5 years, not decades. Certain species can grow over 1 meter per day. At maturity, bamboo systems can absorb between 30 and 40 metric tons of carbon dioxide per hectare per year, depending on species and management. That rate is several times higher than most temperate forests. But speed alone is not enough. Bamboo works because of structure. Its root systems bind soil aggressively. They prevent erosion. They retain water. They rebuild microbial life underground. Above ground, bamboo creates canopy rapidly, cooling surface temperatures and stabilizing local rainfall through evapotranspiration. This restores water cycles first. Carbon reduction follows automatically. Bamboo is also harvestable without killing the plant. That matters. Selective harvesting provides building material, fiber, fuel, and income, while the system continues absorbing carbon. This makes bamboo restoration economically self-sustaining. The cost is low by planetary standards. Establishing bamboo systems averages $2,500 to $3,500 per hectare, including labor, planting, and early management. With a 20% buffer, deployment cost remains under $4,200 per hectare. Tropical regions already contain hundreds of millions of degraded hectares, suitable for bamboo integration. This does not require new land. It requires redesigning how land is used. Bamboo alone does not solve Earth restoration. But without rapid tropical drawdown, no global solution succeeds. This is not conservation. It is carbon engineering using biology as the machine.